let's have a look at number 3. Ratio of Anne's age to Bob's age is 3 to 4. In 7 years' time, this ratio will be 4 to 5. What are their ages now? And after how many years from now will the ratio be 5 to 6? Okay. So I would start off with Anne to Bob. Anne to Bob, no, not equals, can't say that yet, is 3 to 4. Therefore, A over B is equal to 3 over 4. I'll use that shorthand notation. This time that gives me 4A is equal to 3B. So that's my first equation. My second equation says A plus 7 over B plus 7 is equal to, let's see, in 7 years' time is 4 to 5. 4 over 5. Therefore, I'll use the same shorthand. 5A plus 7 equals 4B plus 7. I'll multiply that out. 5A plus 35, 4B plus 1428. And just to simplify it a little bit, I'm going to get rid of some of these numbers. 28 and 35, I'd rather get rid of the smaller one. That gives me a positive number. So this will be 5A plus 7 equals 4B. So that's equation 2. Right? I think we're lucky. I think we're lucky with this one. There's a 4B. No, that's a 4A and a 3B. So I'll have to pick one of these. Doesn't really matter. I'll go with A. Alright, so let's get A alone here. I'd rather get A alone in equation 1 because it would just look like, let's get rid of that 4. A equals 3B over 4. If I get A alone here, I'd have to minus 7 and then divide by 5. So this would be a more complicated fraction, but it would still work. So let's substitute this. This is A. Right. Substitute A into A. Right. So A is equal to this fraction. It's the same, so I can swap them at any time. So I can swap this for A. So 5, 3B over 4 plus 7 equals 4B. Okay. Let's change that to 15B over 4 plus 7 is equal to 4B. And I would like to get rid of this divide by 4. And the inverse of divide by 4 is times 4. I have to multiply all of this by 4 and I have to multiply all of that. So let's do the left hand side first. 4B times 4, 16B. 4B times this divided by 4 is just 15B. Plus 7 times 4 give me 28. I will get rid of either the 15B or the 16B. Let's do the 15B so that we have a positive term left when we're done. So this one is gone. 15B minus 15B is nothing. Nothing's left. 28 is equal to 16B minus 15B. It's 1. Okay. So if B is 28, let's substitute that into this equation. B equals 28 into equation 1. So that gives me 4A equals 3B, and B is 28. 3 times 28. 4A is 60. 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 8 is 24. 60 plus 24 is 84. Let's see if that's right. Let's see if that's right. Sorry, I used a different notation. You can use this notation. A equals 80 would be 20. 80 divided by 4 would be 20, so 84 would be 21. So A to B should be 21 to 28. Let's see if that adds up. Anne and Bob's age is 3 to 4. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 7, 4 times 7. Okay. So it happened to be, I don't know if it's coincidence that it happens to be 7 years' time, but we definitely have this ratio 3 to 4. Good. After how many years from now will the ratio be 5 to 6? How many years will the ratio be 5 to 6? Okay, now we have to work backwards to find that out. Let's see. We've got ratio 3 to 4, 7 years, it'll be 4 to 5. So in how many years will it be 5 to 6?